Hi, I'm Greg McLeod. I'm the owner and founder of Green Beret Fitness. Outdoor fitness events in the most beautiful, stunning locations in the USA and the UK. Operation Paws is one of our newest events, and it's our chance to give back to the community. It's an event that's open to every fitness level of any age. If you want to take part, you can run, you can ruck, or you can simply walk. Operation Paws originated by a desire to help the local animal shelters, be it blankets, puppy pads, food, towels. Whatever you do, come along, have fun, bring something to donate. It's open to any fitness level. Here in Virginia Beach, Hope for Life is a big shelter. We got 2 of our dogs from there, and I wanted to do more. We are always looking for new locations to hold Operation Paws all over the country and also in the UK. If you want to support your local shelter, please email us at info@greenberetfitness.com.